How to remove someone from share list in your Instagram. So let's get started. So you have to go into your Instagram. Now here you have to keep in mind that the Instagram doesn't give any option to remove someone from your share list. But the only option that we can do is block that specific person. Like if you go in it and let's say if you want to block this person or this chat, so you have to click onto their profile and you have to click on these three option, or you can, if you don't want to block that specific account, you can restrict that account. So you have to click on the restrict. Now the limit unwanted interaction to block or unfollow someone or you can control the comments or everything from their chat list. So you just have to simply click on the restrict account. So that's how you can do this. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.